Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Transport ubak Dasakhiat Lamare haba jubab halor ke jingdawa Hiar Shuki jong Dr. Mukul Sangma uloong ba hau kam dan kata ke ban ong ban I no kam. Lada duan ki ba ajing mot ha kata ke dur na kaliang ke jong on am pediang henry on Trei Shitom Shuh. Uloong ru bah ke jing im jong ju kendan dien henry di ban Trei Shitom Shuh na ka banda ke jing mentoy jong ki pat bah. Ula ben rap ru da ka ba ong ba ha ka jaka ban Hiar Shuki kan bahaya ban Trei Shitom Shuh ban pen bah ya ke jing Trei kam.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea at all. To have a monitoring team to monitor all the ongoing and recently completed government projects, you mean, right? Let us see. This is a matter we should discuss with the Chief Minister, with the Honourable Chief Minister. So, and I didn't know about this. I've never heard of this request or proposal anytime. So, since we have heard it from you friends now, so let us see. We'll sit down with the Honourable Chief Minister and talk about it. Let's see. But I think it's a good idea. It's a good suggestion.
Yeah. Another comment was that taking moral responsibility.
What did you say?
That you have to quit.
I have to quit
Yeah.
from my.
Taking moral responsibility because of the frequent damages to building and.
Acha. Quitting, I think, is not the solution, yeah. Because damages, no matter whoever is in charge, damages will occur if they are supposed to occur. Me personally, I feel that by me quitting the post of a minister will not change anything. In fact, I should pull off my socks and work harder. That is what I should do. Pull off my socks, work harder. If I used to get up at 7 o'clock, I should get up at 6 o'clock now in the morning and go do my work. I think that is what I'm supposed to do. But quitting has never been my principle, yeah. Throughout life. I'm not a quitter. So this is also something which I will never quit. Until unless somebody, I don't know, maybe illness or death do something to me, I will not quit. I should not. Well, this is if it's a suggestion from somebody, then I'm so sorry. I cannot take that suggestion. It doesn't suit my principles.